Good day, everyone. My name is Ernie Lacuyong, and here's my spoken poetry for difference between spiritual and religious person. So let's start. Two paths, one journey. In the quiet of the dawn, where the first light breaks, two souls tread paths that the heart undertakes. One finds solace within sacred walls, the other hears whispers where the wild wind calls. In the house of worship, a soul stands tall, bound by traditions, hearing the sacred call. Prayers rise like incense in a ritual's embrace, seeking the divine in a consecrated space. Holy books, doctrines, and ancient creed guide their steps, supplying every need. Faith is a structure, a fortress strong, a community united where they belong. Beneath the open sky, another heart beats. In the rustle of leaves, the spirit greets, not bound by dogma, nor tethered to a pew, finding the divine in the morning dew. Their faith is fluid, like a river's flow, with the stars as their guide, inner peace they know. Meditation, nature, and inner quest, seeking truth in their soul's behest. Two paths converging, yet different in form, but seeking warmth where hearts are warm. One through scripture, one through the trees, but whispering prayers on the evening breeze. For in the end, it's the journey we take, the love we give, the bond we make. Whether religious or spiritual, the heart's true voice, in seeking the light, we all rejoice. So walk your path with an open heart and mind. In faith or spirit, the truth you'll find. For in the tapestry of life, every thread we weave speaks of the divine in whom we believe.